Hey, everyone! Today, I'm sharing a super cool product that's perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road, the car seat headrest pillow. Trust me, if you love a comfortable drive, you'll want to hear about this. Imagine having a soft, memory foam pillow that attaches right to your car seat, cradling your head and neck as you drive or relax. That's exactly what this headrest pillow does. It's perfect for long road trips or even just those daily commutes where you need a little extra comfort. This pillow adjusts easily to fit most car seats, and it's made from breathable memory foam, so no worries about overheating. Plus, it's really supportive. It'll keep your head in a comfy position, helping to avoid those annoying neck cramps. If you tend to doze off in the car, as a passenger, of course, this pillow can be a lifesaver. It keeps your head from bobbing around, and it's super quick to install. Just a couple of minutes, and you're ready to go. Overall, the car seat headrest pillow is a small upgrade that makes a big difference in your comfort level. If you're a road warrior or just want to relax a bit more during your drives, give it a try. That's all for this quick review. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome product finds. Safe travels, everyone!